How clean is your butt? Do you know there are several tools that can help you clean yourself better after you poop? In this video, I will be showing you my top 5 favorite post-poop cleaning tools. You'll feel cleaner than ever before, and your butt will thank you. I'm Nurse Wong, and this is Butt Talks. Today, I'd like to share my 5 top tools to clean your butty. The order of these items will range from the least to the most expensive. A little help with cleaning can benefit any butty. All these products can be found in the description below. Number 1. The Peri Squirt Bottle. The Peri Squirt Bottle is a handheld plastic bottle with a retractable tip that creates a stream of water when squeezed. This can be a helpful cleaning tool to spray water directly on your tushy after pooping. To use the Peri Squirt Bottle, simply fill with warm water and squeeze towards your bum after pooping while in a semi-squatting position over the toilet bowl. This bottle is especially recommended for mothers who have recently given birth. However, it is as useful for anyone wanting direct cleaning after pooping, especially those with irritated anal conditions. These squirt bottles are inexpensive and portable, costing only $6 for a pack of 3. Number 2. The Sitz Pan. Sitz Pans are portable plastic basins used for cleaning and soothing anal pain or any other irritating conditions. To use a Sitz Pan, fill the basin with warm water, place on top of a toilet bowl with the seat up, and sit down, allowing your butt to soak in warm water. For extra relief, you can add about a 1/4 cup of Epsom salt for your comfort. I recommend using the Sitz Pan for any butt discomfort, diarrhea, hemorrhoids, anal fissures or small tears in the skin lining of the anus, post-birth vaginal care, prostatitis, or any other disorders. Warm water Sitz Pans are like mini butt tubs that can be quite comforting for any irritated butty. For those with complex issues, the Sitz Pan can relax your butt while soaking in order for you to directly poop into the basin. After using your Sitz Pan, simply empty the contents into the toilet and clean the pan with soap and water. There are also disposable Sitz Pans that don't require cleaning afterwards. The benefits of reusable or disposable Sitz Pans will depend upon your specific needs. Sitz Pans are very affordable, ranging from $10 to $25 for reusable ones, while a package of 6 disposable Sitz Pans can cost about $20. Number 3. Detachable shower heads. Assuming you're home, another solution would be jumping into the shower after pooping. Detachable shower heads allow you to directly spray your butt for an effective clean. Using a shower extension to directly wash your tushy can lower the chances of irritation or inflammation due to ineffective cleaning after you poop. Detachable shower heads can cost anywhere from $20 to $200 depending on how elaborate you want to get. After the initial setup, the detachable shower head is ready to use whenever you need it. Number 4. Bidets. A bidet is a specialized toilet or attachment that sprays water onto your tushy for direct cleaning after pooping. While popular around the world, Americans have been slow to adopt this technology. Using water and toilet paper to clean up after pooping is much more effective than using just toilet paper alone. The bidet can also reduce irritation or inflammation resulting from toilet paper abrasions. This tool is better for anal skin hygiene. Bidets can cost $500 or more and require extra space as well as some initial installation and maintenance. However, it can result in improved hygiene and a positive pooping experience. For those who want the ultimate buddy experience, I highly recommend you save your hard-earned money and invest in number 5, electronic toilet seats. Electronic toilet seats can be pricey and require electrical and plumbing installations, but they have useful features for those who prioritize a relaxing pooping experience. I finally treated myself to an electronic toilet seat, and the investment was well worth it. The top 3 benefits I found from using the electronic toilet seat are: number 1, having a much cleaner butt. The electronic toilet seat can spray water and even blow warm air, drying your tissue for a better clean. Number 2, spending less on toilet paper. The average person uses about 57 toilet sheet squares per day according to the True Plumber's website. Thanks to the electronic toilet seat's direct water cleaning, your toilet paper use and spending can be cut in half. Number 3, say goodbye to toilet seat cold shocks. With preheating of the electronic toilet seat, your butty will never be cold again. With the electronic toilet seat, you will have an enjoyable pooping experience. Consult with your medical professional about the best tools for your condition. There's something for every butty. Below are all the links to the recommended products. If you like our video, press the like button below. Comment on what you would like to learn about next. For more tips and tricks from Butt Talks, subscribe to our channel. Have a great poop day!